Welcome back, technocrats. Today we will discuss the remaining portion of the adiostatic connection, the needle and the quadrant Q connected together, where this is the connection, and for this we will check connection. The needle and the quadrant Q are connected together so that capital V is equal to V1, and the expression for the torque then becomes T theta tau theta is equal to minus r square by 2d into epsilon naught V2 minus V1 square, and it will give you minus r square epsilon naught divided by 2d into V square. This is the V potential difference to be measured, equal to V2 minus V1. Needle will be rotate anti-clockwise direction, and there is the attracted disc electrometer, a force of attraction between two parallel plates. This is the micrometer head. Coach spring is like this. This is the crosshair. This is the god ring. Line of sight is like this, and this is the fixed disc. Kelvin absolute electrometer. When there is a potential difference capital V between them, capital F is equal to half V squared dc divided by dx Newton. A is the square meter area. Epsilon is equal to epsilon r into epsilon naught. Relative permittivity and of the medium between then d their distance apart in the meter. C is equal to A epsilon divided by d farads. The dc by dx is equal to minus ae by d square. Negative sign shows that the positive increment of C has decrease in the d. F is equal to A epsilon V square divided by 2d square, this is the Newton. The potential difference is equal to d into 10 to power 5, 7.2 pi F by A volts. Epsilon we can check here, 1 divided by 36 pi into 10 to power 9. This is the Kelvin multi voltmeter. This is the torsion coach spring horsepower bronze suspension. This is the edge side SY scale. This is the pointer also. This is the fixed vane. And this is the moving vane. This is the moving vane. And this is the fixed. This is the moving vane. Damping vane oil immerse. This is the damping to damp the pointer oscillations. So get the steady reading. Induction instrument used only for AC. Full scale is 300 degree, not actually only 300 degree. Total one revolution is 360, where we can find 300 degree revolution. Deflection obtained as overweight principle. Torque produced by the reaction between flux whose magnitude depends upon the value of current or voltage to be measured. An eddy current are induced in the metal disc or drum by another flux whose value again is dependent upon the current or voltage to be measured. Since the magnitude of the eddy current is proportional to that flux including it, the torque at any instant is proportional to the square of the current or voltage to be the measured, and the mean torque is proportional to the mean square value of this current or the voltages. Flux phi is equal to phi m sin theta, producing a torque by the force it is exerted upon an eddy current lagging in phase by angle alpha behind this flux. Small I is equal to I max sine theta minus alpha. Instantaneous torque T instantaneous proportional to theta I. The torque Tm is therefore the proportional to 1 by pi integration 0 to pi phi I d theta, and this result T mean torque proportional to 1 by pi 0 to pi phi m I max sin theta into sin theta minus alpha d theta, 1 by pi 0 to phi m 0 to pi phi m I max cos alpha minus cos 2 theta minus alpha divided by 2 into d theta proportional to phi max I max divided by 2 pi into theta cos alpha minus sin 2 theta minus alpha divided by 2 0 to pi proportional to phi max I max divided by 2 pi into cos alpha, thus T max proportional to phi I cos alpha, where phi and I are the RMS value of the current. The Farase's type and the shaded pole type. We will take the Farase's type in this same principle as the induction motor. This is the pointer for this. This is the spring connected to this, and this is the iron core also, and this is the pole laminated magnet system, where where two pole is connected with non-inductive resistance IR flowing in this pole. After that, here it connected and return, and the inductive winding is connected with this pole and this pole. Now we apply voltage V and current will flow inductive resistance coil and the non-inductive resistance coil. There is the phase angle created in the pole winding, so the non-inductive coil have the different phase of the magnetic flux, and the inductive coil current winding have the different phase angle magnetic flux. So there is the, suppose this is the 0 point, your 0 time, and this will be 0.5 millisecond after that lagging. The Ferris type induction instrument used. A control spring prevents such continuous rotation. The drum will rotate only through some angle, like less than 360 degree, that is until the operating torque is balanced by the controlling torque the spring. What is the theory? This is the resistance coil where the current IR is flowing and the flux at that time phi R, and there is the IL in the inductive coil. This is the phi L, and from there 90-degree lagging. This is the induced EMF in the pure resistive coil or non-inductive coil induced ED voltages. After that, ED induced current IR lagging alpha, and from phi L induced EMF EL, and where IL induces ED current, alpha angle lagging. This is the axis of rotation. This is the rotor drum. We can check here. This is the flux phi R, which is working like this, and this is the rotor drum, and it is rotating. Okay, this is the flux. This is the flux phi R entering this side, and the induced EMF in generated, and the induced current is like this, direction is like this. This is the IR, direction upward, and this is set up like this. There is the flux is outside. To reduce the effect of this main flux, so that there is a production of IR, to reduce this, same as this is the phi L, this is the AC flux, induces ED current or the ED voltage in these sections where actually in this check here, this is the phi R flux in the resistive coil, and this is the flux in inductive coil. This is the drum where the induced current or the induced EMF generated, and the IR is this, and this is IR direction is here, and this is the by right hand principle, by the screw law, current in this drum, and the flux will be this direction, means IR induces a flux which is opposite to phi R minus phi IR. Similarly, here phi L minus phi IL. Actually, this is the phi. This is the phi L in this direction, and this is the IL in this direction, and it makes the flux reduction in the flux of the phi L, and then the flux is decreasing. Also, we can check here, this is the current, this is the current direction of the drum where the I current IR, flux phi R, and IL is the current. IL current direction is this, IL current direction is this, flux direction is this is the flux phi, and this is the, okay, we can check here, this is the phi R, this is the phi R, actually this direction is phi R, this is the IL, this is the IL, and this is the F. By the direction, this will be the F, force proportional to phi R IL. Similarly, here we can check